Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today I'm gonna make fake ice cream. Ooh. Right, here we go again, making more props for my big photography project. I cannot wait, but we're getting closer. There's only like few more things that I need to do, this being one of them. Oh, I'm so excited about this because I found out new things and how to create the ice cream. Can you believe it? Cornstarch and air conditioner. Woohoo! Who knew? Who knew? But it's brilliant and it's so much fun to make. And if you're using scented air conditioner, oh my god, it smells amazing as well. I love it. I am so excited. But let me get on with it and let me show you what we're going to do. First of all, we need to make the base of the ice cream. And what I did, I created this mold. And what I did, I've used a real waffle ice cream cone. I put some foam inside to make it so when I was squashing the silicone around it, it wasn't gonna break. And then I just wrapped this around it because this is a two parts sort of patty, and once you mix the two parts together it hardens and this is what you get. But as you can see, I had to cut it to release the ice cream cone inside. But this is brilliant because you can seal it up and you don't see a thing, and you don't even see it on the ice cream cone. But let me get on with it, and we're going to be making this with a plaster of Paris. But before I start, we need to tape it so then it doesn't leak everywhere. And I've got this gaffer tape. Oh my god, you need to be strong. And there we go. And I think I'm happy with the way that is holding it. I've got an ice cream cone stand. I'm going to put that there so then we can hold it into place. And I'm gonna mix some plaster of Paris and water. And I'm going to do 1 cup plaster of Paris and 3/4 water. I'm gonna get so messy. I'm also gonna color the plaster of Paris as I do it. And I add a little bit of yellow and a dash of burnt umber. It's trying to get rid of the air bubbles. Ooh, and we're pouring in. We're pouring in. That's it. I've made too much, as usual. But I'm going to wait for that to dry. It's going to take about 20 minutes. That's exciting. Oh my god. I'll see you in a minute. Oh, 20 minutes have passed. So this is now ready for demolding. Yep, still nice and strong. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Moment of truth. Oh, here it is. And check this out. Ta-da! Oh, it's got a hole and a crack. I'm not too worried about that. It's sort of okay. But look at those details. Oh, I do love it. I love it. I have got backup. I have got another, like, few more cones that I made before. But this is the process. Mold, demolded, love it. And now we're gonna paint it. Okay, this is a previous cone that I made and I'm gonna paint this. Got my usual palette. I'm gonna put my gloves on because again, gonna get messy. Got my trusted burnt sienna and I've got cadmium yellow. I'm gonna dilute the burnt sienna a lot. It needs to be very, very watery. And I put some yellow. Oh, and also we need some white paint. And we brush it onto the cone. As I said, it needs to be really diluted, and we need to make sure that it gets inside all of the little gaps. And there we go. And it's because it's very watered down, it's going to dry really, really quickly. We just need to make sure that the brush is really dry. With the dry brush, we're going to try to get all the details of the bits that stick out. Oh, nearly got my eye out. Let's sort of brush it off to try to get all the details out. So now what we're going to do, I've got about 4 or 5 to do. So let's get on with it. I'm going to show you now how we make the ice cream, and then we're going to start piling it on. I can't wait. This is so exciting. I'll see you in a minute. I'll get all the ingredients, we make the ice cream, and then we start scooping it. Now that we've got our ice cream cones, ta-da! It's time to make our ice cream. This is exciting. When I found out how people were making it, I was like, whoa, poof, poof. Mind absolutely blown. Because all you need is cornstarch and air conditioner. How about that? These are really cheap air conditioners as well. And that, smells of coconut. Whoops. And this smells of apple. So not only they're going to look good, they're going to smell good as well. Nice, nice. But let's start. So what we need, it's 2 parts of cornstarch and 1 part of air conditioner. But if you see that it's too dry, just add more conditioner. I'm going to put my gloves on. And I have got my scale today. And let's mix it. This is apparently is also known as cloud clay because it's so soft and silky. It's so beautiful. This is the fun bit. We start kneading it with the hands. Oh, and messy. Oh, it smells amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at this. Oh my God. I love it so much. Oh, squidgy. Ugh. And this is going to be our ice cream. I got a little bit carried away and obsessed with it yesterday. So I made loads. I made blue one, apple. I made loads of the white one. Coconut, yellow, apple, green and pink. I coloured the dough with the acrylic paint. Whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, I don't know, but it seems to be working. Once you made it, you need to keep it in an airtight container if you're not using all of it. And then once you go and use it, just squish it a little bit just to revive it. And then if you need to, just add a little bit more conditioner and it will be absolutely fine. Look at the state of me. I also made some chocolate and some little biscuits, and the chocolate's got different shapes, and I've used these are made with air drying clay, and then I painted them, and to make the shapes I've used mooncake stamps. They're brilliant. Absolutely love them. They're so cool. They're so cool. And then I made various sauces to go on top of the ice creams, and I used Coke and diluted with water and acrylic paint. If you check out the video of the cupcakes, you will see how I made them. And there we go. That's the consistency you want. You can get like odorless caulk, which I think is better. This one wasn't, and I'm not too keen on it. So as soon as I've run out, I'm gonna invest on some proper good one that doesn't smell as much. So we got green, we got pink, I got blue, and I made some yellow. I also have sprinkles. Let's get on with it. I've got the filler. So I'm going to do the whipped cream on top of the ice creams. And then I'm just going to put the sauce and put the sprinkle and they're done. Oh, that was exciting. So exciting. But let me get organized and then I'm going to show you how we decorate the ice creams. Yeah, now this is the exciting part. We're gonna decorate the ice cream cones. We're gonna put the ice cream that we made with the cornstarch and the air conditioner, and we're gonna make the ice cream balls, and then we're gonna put some whipped cream that we're gonna be making with a lightweight filler, and then we're going to put some sauce on top of it and some sprinkles. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. This is so cool. This is the fun bit. But before we start, let's get our piping bag ready. This is the nozzle. I think this is what they use on the ice cream, like to do Mr. Whippy or something. Let's cut this. Should have got a bigger spoon. And we push it down, trying to ensure that there's no air pockets. Beautiful. So I've got my piping bag with the whipped cream. Let's decorate our ice cream cones. What I'm going to do cream and I'm going to put blue on top. So I'm going to do 2 scoops. 1 cream and 1 blue. I've got my scoop. What I'm going to do before I scoop out the dough, I'm gonna coat this with the cornstarch, so then the dough doesn't stick to the scoop and it's gonna be easier to release it. So let's have a look at this. Let's get like a great big scoop. There we go, 1 done. And now we put the blue on top. Here we go. Oh, just look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's so cool. Now let's do our cream on top. Brilliant. Gonna have a green sauce. Some sprinkle and the chocolate slice. Oh, here it goes. Here's our ice cream. Oh my god, this is so cool. I'm so pleased with the ice creams. I'm so happy how they turned out. I hope you like them and I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, why not give me the thumbs up? And also, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive the notifications on when the next video is coming out, because then you can see what I've used the ice creams for. It's so exciting, so exciting. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.